Right. This is Olivia. I met her last year during a fashion show. She's gonna be modeling for our photo shoot tonight, and she brought her friend Larissa along to help us with the styling. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. First we have to set things up. If you've already seen last week's video, then you should recognize our main light that we'll be using. It's the basketball hoop ring light. I'm just using a super clamp to fix it to the top of this light stand, and just like I showed last week, we'll be shooting through the center and illuminating our subjects with this. But with tonight's shoot, there's one key difference. We're not shooting with white light. We're shooting long exposures with rainbows. We're gonna be moving around and dancing to the beat. Typically with photography, your goal is to capture a crisp moment in time. But when you're shooting long exposures, you actually capture a duration of time, which results in these beautiful streaks of light. I've chosen to shoot on a black background so that the light pops and doesn't get mixed up with background detail. So once they get here, I think we're just gonna experiment with this technique and see what we get. Oh, I think that's them. So we'll just lay out a few options.
This is a fairy for the colors. I thought.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And that'll pick up glimmers.
It's very dusty. I wasn't sure, but I thought it's worth a try.
Definitely. I like
Good idea.
This is a really good choice.
I love that.
That'll be good for this one too, I think. I think I like the fairy and that the most. Yeah.
Yeah, like this, it looks really good. I wish
That'll be cool, especially with Blur. Now that Olivia's changed into her outfit and is prancing around like a fairy, I can test out my studio setup and see how things are looking. What are you doing already? But maybe just like a little bit more shoulder movement, like move your whole leg. Yeah. Cool. Like even a little slower too. Yeah. That's kind of crazy, eh?
That's really cool.
Then come towards me. Aren't these looking awesome? Okay, so like, what if we added some flash? Maybe start like over here looking away and then like just kind of like look towards. And maybe even bring one hand up so it's like kind of going over your face too. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's interesting.
The one before it was
1, 2, 3. Do you smell that? Just kidding. What if we added some smoke? Yeah, that's good.
cool.
All right, so then coming towards me. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
You got it?
Interesting. It's abstract. You look like Picasso painting.
It's very abstract.
That's
Weird.
wild though. I love it.
Okay. I know it's getting like really cool, but like, what if Larissa came in and she started flapping some see-through fabric in front of the camera? That'd be sweet.
Or how about
Pivot like closer and further from the camera. Like do some of that, and then like play around with your hands too. Like maybe even like have one arm above.
like a snake arm kind
Yeah.
of thing.
1, 2, 3. Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I like what you're doing. 1, 2, 3. So at this point, the shoot's going absolutely amazing, and the pictures are looking better than they've looked the whole night. And we did a quick wardrobe change and then got all these amazing shots, and my video camera wasn't recording. So I'm just gonna end this video with a slideshow of all the crazy shots that we got, And I'll leave it at that. Enjoy.